Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we just got this in, new product. This is the Milwaukee M12 dual power tower light. Part number is 213220. Was trying to find a light that we could use in the shop here whenever we make videos, give it a little bit better backlighting, all this sort of stuff. And I was really wanting something that was rechargeable and that you could also plug in, and that is what this one does. It runs on batteries and you can plug it in just in case. You know, we looked at other brands. I didn't find anything I really cared for. And since I do use a lot of Milwaukee tools, you know, the battery ratchets and the impact and all this sort of stuff, this works perfect. Or at least we hope so. Let's get this unboxed and see what we have. We actually purchased this off Amazon. I don't remember exactly what the cost was. I think it was around $150 or something. I'm not entirely sure. Let's see what's in here. Paperwork. Styrofoam. This is very nice. Let's see, make sure you're not zoomed in. Move that camera up so you can see a little better. Okay. So yeah, okay, so it collapses down on itself. Here's where you can plug an extension cord into it. Batteries will plug down here on the bottom. Okay, let's see, 5 seconds setup. Press both tabs to release. Which are these. Okay. Now that's very cool. So you squeeze these tabs and the legs spread apart. And that locks into place. That's really nice. Let's pan up top. Okay. Now, as far as extending up, let's see what she says. To extend upward to lock. Oh, that's to lock the legs. Okay. Let's see. Let's see here. See where any of the other buttons are. This does extend up. I do know that. I hate to do it. Let's read the directions. I bet it's simple. It's obviously something simple. Something I'm overlooking. Okay, those buttons. Let's see, number 8. That's the switch. That's the switch. Oh, okay. There we go. So what you do, this upper portion is collapsed down, it snaps in. So you just grab the side of it and just pull it up. And this joker is high. It gets very high up. Let's see. Let me extend it all the way. There it is. And she locks in. All right. Very cool. That is tall. That's probably close to 6 foot. Very close to 6 foot. Let's see what this tells us. Maximum height. I'm sure it says it somewhere, but I just don't see it. Well, either way, it extends up pretty high, close to 6 foot, between 5.5 and 6 foot. All this is aluminum. This portion of the shaft is aluminum. Where it collapses down on itself is aluminum, and the rest of this is plastic. This part down here is aluminum as well. So that is pretty cool. Off and on button is down at the bottom, or middle ways up, roughly middle ways up. So now to go back in, assuming, how do you make it go back down? Oh, you just push it. So whenever you pull it up, it should just click. Or at least, I guess it's like a traction system where it holds itself together. That's pretty nice. And then the head pivots. Pivots all the way down and all the way, almost all the way to the back. That's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna collapse it down. At least some of the way down. Put it up here on the table. Oh, and there's something else this does. That's pretty nice. The head will swivel either direction. So for now, we'll make it swivel and just come down right here. All right, I do have, this is not a standard, a factory Milwaukee battery. This is one that's off Amazon, but guess what? They work. This is 6 milliamp battery. These are great. So plug that into the bottom. She snaps right in. There she goes. Okay, she snaps right into the bottom. Just like that. Locked in. And she's on. It's good and bright. Let's see what's different. Oh, there's different intensities. Let's see, I don't want the glare on the camera. There we go. Okay, so that's all right. It's not a super white light. I mean, maybe on camera it's picking it up, but not in person. It's more of a yellow, a slight yellowish tint. But you push the power button one time, I guess that's a high setting. One more time, it dims it slightly. One more time, it's off. So now, if you look at this this light that's on the wall, I believe that's a 6,000. What's the term for it? 6,000 lumen. A 6,000 lumen LED light. Now that is a bright white that you can see. Now let me turn this one on. Yeah, I guess it is. By the camera, it does look pretty close, but it is not. You're looking at it in person, it is more of a yellowish, a slight yellowish tint. But hey, either way, at night or in the dark, I think that would do a pretty good job. So that collapses down. Okay. Back you up so you can see all the way here. Get a full view. Okay. Then right here is on the side. You just squeeze these two tabs, just like that. She falls down. She locks, falls down, just like that. You can use these 3 spaced carrying handles, carry it around everywhere, and then of course if you want to, you can plug it into a drop cord. Now what I would like to know is how long the battery will last. I'm assuming this 6 milliamp battery, if you left it on low, that'd probably last a little while. Actually a good while. But it does not say roughly how long in the manual. So it totally depends on the battery. So yeah, I think this will come in pretty handy. Well, I do appreciate you guys sticking around to watch, and we do have a lot of other videos coming out. We have a good video coming out for a heater core job we do have coming in, but more stuff on the Jeep to come. This is one thing we have. We're gonna do some bed liner, roll-in bed liner in the tub of the Jeep we're gonna be doing. So, all right guys, appreciate you watching. Catch you next time.